Hello everybody, Ghostblade 1062 here with another video. This video is going to be a follow-up to the video compilation of Super Terrain 2025, and in this video we will be going over my haul of items that I purchased while at the show. I hope you enjoy. Alright. Here we have my bag of purchases. Starting with the first item, this being a complete guide to model scenery by Woodland Scenics. This will come in handy once I start building my first layout. Next, we have an Intermountain 4-bay cylindrical hopper in the Red Canada CNWX scheme, road number 110179. Then we have an Athearn 50-foot FMC 5347 boxcar in the CSX scheme, road number 142652. Then we have a Bachmann Silver Series cylindrical grain hopper in the Government of Canada Yellow scheme. And this one is road number 106068. Then we have a set of logging cars from Rivarossi. These will go very nicely with the Shay that I own. And these are in the Coos Bay Lumber Company scheme, road number 166 and 168, and they come with log loads. Next, we have a Pico Expert line covered hopper. This is a 3-bay hopper from the Deutsche Bahn, road number 3180 694 8298-8. Next, we have a Pico Expert line baggage car in the Deutsche Bundesbahn scheme, road number 518095-40024-9. Oh, I got it. There we go. Had to get that receipt off. Next up we have this Pico Expert line second class passenger car with baggage compartment in the Deutsche Bundesbahn scheme, road number 5180 82-40 016-6. Then we have the Pico Expert line first class passenger car in the Deutsche Bundesbahn scheme, road number 5180 10-40 100-9. Then we have the Pico Expert line first and second class passenger car in the Deutsche Bundesbahn scheme, road number 5180 31-40 360-4. Next, we have a second-class passenger car from Pico Expert line in the Deutsche Bundesbahn scheme, road number 5180 22-40 453-8. Then we have this Pico Expert line half dining car in the Deutsche Bundesbahn scheme, road number 5180 84-43 007-4. These 6 cars will go nicely with the Black Swan, which I reviewed not too long ago. Then we have this iconic replicas Prevost X3-45 bus in a commemorative scheme for the big Fort McMurray fire. And finally, we have a 5-car set of CP Rail coal hoppers with included coal loads from Athern, each with their own road numbers. And that is everything. Alright, everybody. This concludes going over the haul of my purchases from Supertrain 2025. I will be posting reviews of the various pieces of rolling stock over the coming weeks. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like or a comment, and subscribe for more model railroad content. Have a great day, everybody!